Welcome back to YachtLens here at the Seattle Boat Show, and today we are stepping aboard the Targa 46. This is Targa's flagship model, built in Finland and designed for serious offshore cruising in the Pacific Northwest and beyond. Joining me is Nate Graf of Cardinal Yacht Sales, Targa's exclusive West Coast distributor in the U.S. He is going to take us aboard and through this impressive all-weather cruiser.
Hi folks, Nate here. Try to show you a few key features of Targa. If you're not familiar with the Targa brand, this is their largest vessel. Some very incredible key features we'll show you about this one. One of the great things about Targa is their willingness to accommodate custom features that a customer might want for their boat. And so many different types of people want to use their boat for different things. One of the great features of this boat is their full hydraulic swim deck. This all will go down in the water. These are easily removable and have a storage up on top, and then there's space for your dinghy, and then just makes it just super easy to just hop in your boat, hit your remote, and drop down and launch your dinghy. So super multi-uses that you could do with this, whether it's diving or with this configuration, fishing from out here. Just a phenomenal platform. So
It really is, it's huge.
It's huge,
Yeah.
It's really big. Yeah, so that's a great feature. Another one that's just super getting a lot of traction is this is all 316 stainless, but this powder coating process that Targa does, they've been doing this black line for quite a few years, but we're not even seeing wearing on the cleats, whereas typically you would see it. So we are super happy with this product and its longevity. Not seeing any issues with it at all, and it's becoming more and more popular. Love the wood like you see on some of the other Targas, but if that's not you, Targa will definitely accommodate that. The other nice thing is just these little touches. You know, if you've got pets, having them closed in and being able to walk around is phenomenal. So Targa really thinks about things of practicality. We just love Targa has just figured out great ways to put freezers wherever a customer wants. So cold storage, I mean, it can literally nowadays be in any area that you want, just to make it convenient. I find cold storage is a big deal on larger vessels where you just want to go cruising longer.
Great use of space.
Great, yeah, it's a huge space. You know, as long as we're here, we might as well lift one of the lids to show engine room. And obviously both lids open up, but we'll just open up the one. And the engine rooms, there's so much room to do anything, go anywhere. There's plenty of storage areas, nooks and crannies to put things, engine checks, electronics, everything's there. And you know, nowadays your owner's manual is on your Garmin, so you can pick a number on any one of those wiring and find out what it is or what it does. Great. Super convenient. Also great use is just finding different places. So you got your tables here, and for the aft, just there's a spot for everything.
Yeah, fantastic. So we're powered by...
This is the twin Volvo Penta D6 IPS 650s. And this particular model, they did the pods, which works out really well. Great engine package for this boat.
And a great engine space, too.
Yeah, really nice space. So the other thing that's really nice, customer driven, is where you want your wash downs, where you want your lighting, where you might want outlets for pot pullers and things of that nature. Here as well, can be just wet storage or just, you know, live bait well if somebody wants as well. So just multi-use with the spaces, depending on what the customer wants to do. The other thing I really appreciate is rather than a ladder, it's a built-in steps.
Yeah.
You see a lot of ladders. We just find that's just a great option that a lot of our customers really like that want to do Flybridge operations.
Outside helm.
Yeah, a nice aft helm if you're into fishing. You know, it's totally optional whether you want to do that or not. The walkarounds are fantastic, very well thought out, you know, just right at the hip height. And we might as well walk up front. The other great thing is on all Targas, access. into the cabin. And obviously you can walk all the way around, very easy to get to your anchor, your bow. But you know, docking and undocking is part of boating. And so being able to access safely without having to really hold on to the boat while you put a fender on is important. And all their models are that way.
Super high railing. Really
Yeah,
nice.
super high railing, but you know, if you're at a pier, you can hop off there as well. So depending on what that is, we might as well just walk around. You've got bow access, anchor locker. Also, this customer in this particular boat, you can have your shore power one. He's got one here at the bow and also one at the stern. So if you're out adventuring, you don't know where you're going to dock or where your shore power is going to be. So being able to have at both ends of the boat is very handy. Continuing to walk around, might as well have a look up top what this boat has. He's got the Sonics night vision, plenty of lighting, a little bit of solar panel there, just, you know, there's space. So trying to use every bit of space to work for the boat is just the motto.
Yeah. And it's great lines too. They haven't
Great
sacrificed
lines. Absolutely. They haven't made it weird or goofy with anything. They've really very thoughtful in how they do stuff. It's just a big cushion up here the customer wanted. Got a little canvas on it right now. So we might as well go inside. I love that you can have access both port and starboard up front. So it's great because if you have guests, there's multiple ways in and out. Very well thought out ergonomically. One of the best parts that we like about Targa is they've really thought out the helm. So you pull up, you come back. I feel like I'm in my Lexus GX 470. You know, I mean, I'm right here. Everything's here. I have a great view, but I love that I can just very quickly. I like to dock from standing up. And sometimes I just want to have a different position and, you know, just to move around if you're on those long trips.
Sure.
Really like that. All of this dash and everything, this is what's great about Targa. This is customer driven on how they want their configuration of their helm station. Obviously, it's within an envelope, but what switches and where you want them and how you want your Garmin's, that's all figured out, how the customer likes that and how he wants it. So that's just a unique feature, I think, that is, you don't get that in production boats.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
And this is just a beautiful helm station.
Yeah. Works really well.
Great little settee.
Yeah, nice settee. This customer's got lots of little custom details. Up forward, you've got your master suite. This boat is a 2-stateroom boat. The 46 can be done in 3 staterooms, should a customer want. This, in that 3rd stateroom, this would lift up. There'd be a staircase that goes down, and underneath us is a space. What this customer has done with that space is there's a washer dryer down there. It's like a little pantry, and he didn't want a staircase here. He wanted to just flip a hatch and go down here, and it's just storage. So lots of area to be able to do custom things that a customer might want.
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah, he's done a lot. The forward stateroom, and both heads, I should point out, are not wet heads. They're got separate showers, really thought out well. It's nice on these long hauls. Feel free to hop down there and see what that's like.
Walk around bed. Great lighting. Lots of nooks and crannies and tons of storage. Vanity. Fantastic head stand-up shower. Looks like heated towel bar. Great fit and finish. And again, TV, more storage. A fantastic use of space. Love all the lighting and the accents.
So going over some of the just little touches that Targa's willing to do, and we see this with every boat's a little bit different with the customers, but you know, just this upper space, a lot of times is unused. And so he just chose to put his TV up here. This cabinetry, how you want it configured and how you want it set, just extra places to put. And the idea is just using space without compromising view. And they've done so well at doing that. All these little nooks and crannies that just allow you to, put stuff. Other signature things with Targa is their personal flatware and just having spot for everything. And so then it's just basically bringing your pans. But all of this right here is customer driven, what appliances you want, what drawer configuration you want. That's all customer driven. Countertops, obviously, what cooktops they want, things like that. One of the cool stuff is this little space here. We've had multiple people do different things with this. This gentleman, he wanted just a cool spot for his whiskey bar here. And it's just fun.
Yeah.
Just playing on things and just having a good time with stuff.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's great fun. But some people, this is the spot where they'll put the TV if they want, or, whatever you want to do. Maybe it's just extra food storage, but definitely a great spot. Great settee. You can choose to have a table that goes down and turn this into a bed if you like. This customer chose to just keep it solid with extra storage. Unique table. He had a design table. This is what he wanted, and Targa made it, which is great. So just moving back to some of the electrics, this is another thing that Targa, and is customer driven. He wants to come in right into the boat, right at the door is his main electrics, right here at the front door. So you've got your water maker, you've got your heating system, your gen set, and then you're just your main breakers, engine, service switch, and things like that. Just right here, right when you walk in. So it's just super convenient. Right on the side here, all your lighting. So it's one of those deals. Just first thing you walk in, turn the boat on, and start going through your system. So just thinking about those things and making it as convenient as possible. Yeah.
Really expansive. I mean, it's just, you feel.
It is. A lot of people feel like I'm losing space because I have that walk around on the outside, but you're not really losing any interior space. And the other part of it is the whole boat needs to be usable.
Sure.
And so having a walk around on the outside, I think, is essential. Down below, we've got another fantastic head, separate shower. You can have multiple configurations down into this aft stateroom. They chose to do 2 single beds, but that can be another just queen size bed, a huge bed if you want. And there's plenty of space to configure into different things you can do with the space.
Does it slide together, or is that
They just put a cushion in between if you want, if you choose there. And they just chose to have separate. You can make it different. You can either slide together or just a single big bed. Lots of storage down there.
It's nice. You've got port lights. You've got portholes.
You've got a little lighting.
Yeah.
And then this space too is also a really flexible space. He's chose to have just another bed, but we have removed this bulkhead right there. We've done dog kennels out of this space. We've done little storage areas, little pantries. I mean, it's an area that can really be used and can be made customer driven on how they want to use the space.
Yeah, the use of space is just
yeah, exactly. And then coming back out, we might as well go to the Flybridge. So moving upstairs, and like I talked about, it's just a proper staircase, which is really nice. And then once you get up here, you've got a really nice, large, it's simple, but it's comfortable. Table under here to just sit right here when you're at dock or at anchor. And then the helm seat. So you got lots of seating for multiple people up here, even while you're underway. Just a great Flybridge that it just works. Nothing crazy, not big crazy beds or anything like that. It's just a nice place to just sit and enjoy an evening, a drink, or even while underway.
Great view.
Yeah, great view.
It's not a massive Flybridge, but the way, again, they've used the space with the settee and the.
They've got really good non-skid right here. So here's a great area to just either a cooler, or this is where you would store those staple rails that are on the swim step. You can pop them off. There's a spot here. You've got your, typically you would probably leave this cover up, and it's up high enough that normal size people like me can stand under it. Works great. He chose to have his kayak racks right here, throws kayaks on right on the side there, and it works great. A lot of the modern kayaks are super lightweight, so it's not that hard to do. So
Yeah.
just try to think in it everything and how to make it, practical and usable. And that's kind of the Targa genre, is taking care of that.
Nate, can't thank you enough. This has been an absolute pleasure.
You're very welcome. Glad you could come aboard. And if anybody wants to come check out Targa in a deeper dive, just come see us.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We will have links to all your contact information,
Fantastic.
links to more information on the boat.
Fantastic.
And leave comments for Nate, leave
Great.
comments for us. Let us know what you think. Very, very cool boat and a very nice opportunity to get aboard.
Thank you very much. We'll see you.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.